And in reacting to the shooting incident, the Office of the Political Ombudsman is again appealing to political parties and their supporters to conduct their activities peacefully and in keeping with the the Code of Political Conduct. The office says while the circumstances surrounding the incident remain unconfirmed, it is appealing for calm and cooperation with the police. The Political Ombudsman Office says it will continue to monitor political activities with the support of the police to ensure tensions do not escalate.